In this video, we're going to practice warm-up number 1. Now this will be a little bit different from our practice videos for the picking exercises because we are using 2 hands now, which means there's a lot more potential to make mistakes as we go. I'm gonna give you more time with each one. So for example, 40 beats per minute is where we're gonna start. So I'm gonna give you a longer stretch with that time so that if you mess up while you're playing, then you can have time to just jump right back in with the beat and keep going. Make sure, like with everything that we're doing, that you first get really used to warm-up number 1. You're not making any mistakes as you play at a slow speed, and then you can try doing it in time with the metronome. So in this one, we're just gonna do 2 different timings. We're gonna do 40 beats per minute, and then we're gonna do 50 beats per minute. If you have a metronome, you can do any different variation that you wanna do, and as long as you wanna do it. But in this one, we're just gonna do 2. And if you find yourself making a lot of mistakes, then just slow it down, or just forget the metronome for now and just do it without it and then jump back in again when you feel like you're ready. As you watch me play the exercise, just know that I'm playing it at a quicker pace than you're going to be playing it, but I want to show you kind of the eventual goal of what the exercise will look like once you've practiced, once you've gotten the metronome and in time. Eventually you're going to be able to play evenly like I'm playing, like in time, like I'm playing without a metronome, and at a quicker pace like that. So this is what the way I'm playing is the eventual goal. But right now you are starting slowly. First, I will show you the full exercise with the left hand and then the full exercise with the right hand so you can make sure you're doing it right. And then we'll jump into staying in time. So let's try this out at 40 beats per minute. I'm gonna give you a minute and a half of the metronome so you can have room for mistakes to start right over again and to jump back into it. So if you do make a mistake, you don't have to rewind the video, just jump right back in with the time and see how it goes. Now we're gonna do 50 beats per minute for the same amount of time, a minute and a half, so you can get used to the timing, let it sink in for a few beats, and then just start playing. And if you make mistakes, then just take a breath, get the beats in your head again, like the timing in your head, and start again. And that's it. If you feel like you need to repeat a certain one, go ahead and do it. Or if you need to go faster, make sure you get your metronome involved. And I'll see you in the next video.